Hey everybody, this is the Revolution, 12-year business owner. Been vending for 12 years, and I make vending videos to make things better for you. First, like and subscribe to my page. I need you guys to hit the like button, hit the notification bell. So this video is to the vendors. So, I mean, if you're a vendor, customers come up to your table to buy, and sometimes when a customer comes to the table, they may be with someone. The person that they are with is not interested in anything at your booth, but this one person is. And sometimes when the other person walks away, they walk away, even though they may be interested. So I learned that the other person has an effect on the buyer. If they stop and the other person don't stop, you can tell that they're really interested, but they keep walking to stay with the crowd or stay with whoever they are paying or whatever. So when that happens, now this doesn't always work, but it has worked. If someone comes to your booth and they're with somebody, and the person that they're with is not really interested in what you have, just to keep the interested person to stay there longer, conversate, say something to the companion that's with the person, like, "Oh, I like your shoes. Where you get those shoes from?" The longer you keep them standing there, you can kind of navigate the conversation to your product, to the person that is interested. You can ask the other person, like, where they get their shoes from, or "I like those shoes," and they'll tell you or whatever. And then as they telling you, the person is interested, "Hey, you interested in this or whatever," and that way, you keep them standing there a little bit longer, and you make the sale. Now again, this works sometimes it doesn't work, but it's very important to notice when someone is interested in your product, and when somebody comes, it could be a woman comes to your booth interested in the product, but a husband, he's not interested. He keep walking, and she, anyway. Um, all right. I'm D Revolution. Please like and subscribe to my page. Peace.